Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let a and b be positive real numbers. So, a and b are positive real number. Suppose pq equals ai plus bj. So, we have a vector pq which look like ai plus bj, and we have another vector ps which look like ai minus bj. Okay, are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram pqrs. So we have a parallelogram pqrs, and these are the adjacent sides. So pqrs, let vector u and vector v be the projection of w along PQ and PS. This line is very beautiful. Projection means what? Shadow. Okay. Now look at this. So first we will talk about U vector. So U vector is what? Projection of W on PQ. So we will use mod W cos theta. Who is cos theta? Cos theta is angle between W and PQ. Okay, now if you'll observe, this thing is magnitude, some number. This is also a number, and here I wrote a vector. So don't you think a vector cannot be equal to scalar? So what we have to do, we have to introduce the direction, and direction should be the vector is along PQ, so we will use the PQ cap for the direction. Okay, so if suppose this is PQ vector in this direction, this is W vector, so projection of W on PQ will become what? This thing. So this thing is the shadow length, and we want a vector of this component, so we will use the length with PQ cap. You got my idea? Now solve this problem. So look at this. So who is mod W? Mod W is root over 1 plus 1. So it is root 2. Then we have cos theta. Cos theta is what? W dot PQ upon mod W mod PQ. Okay. And then PQ cap. Is that okay? Now mod W is root 2. So this thing gone. Now W with W. So W with PQ. So you have a W vector and you have a PQ vector. So you know that I will go with I, J will go with J, K will go with K. So it is A plus B. So can I write A plus B upon root over A square plus B square? Correct? And then PQ cap. So this is our U vector. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Similarly, we will try to calculate V vector. So V vector is also the same thing. Okay. So can I write mod W cos theta? Theta is the angle between W and that was PS. Yes, PS vector. So PS. So can I write this thing as mod W W dot PS upon mod W mod PS, and then we have PS cap, PS cap, this thing gone. Now I will go with I, J will go with J, k will go with k. So it is a minus b. So we should go with a minus b upon root over a square plus b square and then ps cap. So this is our vector v. So I hope you got your vector u and you got your vector v. Now what is given? They are saying that mod of u vector plus mod of v vector equals to mod of w vector. Okay, so mod of u plus mod of v equals mod of w. So let's go with the mod of u. You know that pq is a unit vector, so it will have magnitude as 1. So here we will place a plus b by root over a square plus b square. Is that okay? And we should go with mod, so we will put mod. Correct? Now, so we have mod v. Mod v, we will have what? A minus b. A minus b upon root over a square plus b square. And mod w is what? Root 2. Correct? Now, you know that a and b are positive real number. Correct? So look at this, how we will approach. So suppose that a is bigger than equal to b. Suppose, so that we can open this mod. Okay, so we will have what? A plus b plus a minus b equals to root 2 root over a square plus b square. Correct? This b gone. So we got 2a equals root 2 root a square plus b square. Now what I will do, I will square both side. So we got 4a square equals to 2 times a square plus b square. Now you guys can play fruit ninja. You got this. So can I write a square equals to b square? And both are positive, so a will be equal to b. So we got this equation, that the value of a and b are equal. Correct? Now let's move on to the next part. If the area of the parallelogram PQRS is 8, so area of the parallelogram is 8. As you know that the area of parallelogram is equal to mod of A cross B. So first vector cross second vector mod. So can I go with PQ and PS? Can I go with PQ cross PS vector? Now, first we will find out PQ cross PS vector. Then we will think about the mod game. Okay, so we have PQ cross PS equals I J K, and where is PQ vector? Yes, PQ vector is AB0, AB0, A minus B0. Okay, now we'll open this determinant part. So we will open along this column. So we got K equals minus AB minus AB. So we got minus of 2 times ABK. So the magnitude will become what? Magnitude will become 2AB. So according to us, the area is this, but according to them, the area is 8. So can I divide these two things? You know that the value of a and b are equal. So can I say that a square equals to 4? So a equals to 2. So if a equals to 2, can I say that b is also equal to 2, because a and b are equal? So we got value of a and b. Now we guys can solve this question. So you know that a plus b is 4, correct? So option A is correct. Option B is wrong because it should be 0. The length of the diagonal PR is 4. So if I'll ask you to find out PR, what you will do? The value of PR, I'll use in here. Otherwise, when I will share notes, no, you will struggle. So PR is what? PQ vector plus PS vector. Okay. So PQ plus PS will become what? 2 times AI. 2 times AI, and value of A is 2. So 4I, and the magnitude is 4. This means option C is correct. Now, they are saying that W is the angle bisector of PQ and PS. So how we used to find angle bisector, do you remember? No. Very good. You guys are doing good. Now look at this. For angle bisector, you should always go with A cap plus minus B cap. So what is A cap? A cap is like you have to convert your vector into unit vector, both the vector into unit vector. So A plus, so AI plus BJ upon root over A square plus B square plus or minus AI minus BJ upon A square plus B square. Now look at this. I will go with the addition one. Okay. So if I'll add them, both the things, so we will get 2 times AI upon root over A square plus B square. And if I'll go with subtraction, we will get 2 times BJ by root over A square plus B square. Correct? So A is what? 2. So can I write 4I as A square will become 4, 4, 4, 8. So it is 2 root 2, or 4j by 2 root 2. But they are saying that the angle bisector is W. W is I plus J. Okay. So I plus J. Now, look at this. How you have to solve this thing? Uh, First, try to understand that you have to find out the unit vector along like unit vector along the the diagonal of a rhombus. So you have to find out the unit vector. So unit vector will become what? I. Correct? From here unit vector will become J. And over there, if you'll find out the unit vector, you will find that it is I plus j upon root 2, which is different. This means this option is wrong. So the correct option is A and C. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.